In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this tailgate hinge kit in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Now you could take the spare tire down, but even easier than that is take your rear plate off. Just have probably 2 Phillips head screws, take those out. And then the connector for the rear view camera is right here. Just push down on the tab, disconnect that connector. Just slide that back there. Open the tailgate. With the wires that go through right here, you just want to pull this grommet out. You could use a screwdriver if you need to. And pull the wire out. That's fine like that. Now we got to pull these cables off. Just pull the tailgate up a little bit. Slide that off. Do that on both sides. Now with the tailgate at about a 45-degree angle, we're going to pull it out on the passenger side and then just grab the whole tailgate and slide it towards the passenger side. Using a T50 socket, we're going to take these 2 bolts out. If you have to, just give it a little tap with a hammer. Loosen that up, and the bottom one as well. That off. Take the other one. Make sure you line it up. This is the left side. They are different right to left, and there is a up arrow. So put that on. There's this little shim in there. Now tighten these bolts down. Then I'm going to torque these bolts to 30 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to do the same procedure on the other side. Use the T50 socket, take the screws out. And take the shim, line that up, and put this back on. And I'll torque that to 30 foot-pounds. Now grab the tailgate. We're going to slide the driver's side in first. Line that up. And the passenger side. Make sure this camera wiring harness goes through. I'll just put that there for now. Then you can slide the cables on. Do the same on this side. Now slide the connector through. And line the grommet up. Push it in. I'll plug the connector in, lock it down. All right, that's clicked in. Now you can put the plate back on and the 2 screws.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.